So Jackie was coming by our house today to take pictures of the remodel that we're so thrilled that we did with her. And she asked me to ponder what are the unexpected benefits of Basil and Tate. So many, but I guess the first one would be working with Jackie and her team. I'm a developer and I have used 4 or 5 designers in my career. By far, Basil and Tate, and Jackie specifically, is the best. Where Jackie stood out was that when it got harder, she got better. When things didn't go well, she got more creative. And so that's one of the unexpected things that I loved about Basil and Tate. As far as the house goes, I have been remodeling and building homes my whole life, and this is the last thing on earth that I actually wanted to do. Didn't think I needed it, but didn't realize how cluttered our life had become. We raised 4 kids over the last 20 years, and there was just stuff everywhere. So having Jackie come in and going through the process of visioning our next 30, 40, 50 years of what this house would be like was so exciting, so fun. And throughout that process, purging what we had and then designing new spaces where our children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren will be visiting us was such a thrilling thing. And lastly, I'll say, now that when I come home, I've never felt like this in my entire life. I cannot wait to get home because I love the spaces. It's serene, it's calm. My wife and I just say just about every single day, we love this house. We love being here. And so much of that is Jackie's vision, Jackie's creativity, her team's talent. And I cannot recommend them enough. They are the best. And I would say use them if you can.